So today I'm going to show you how to delete your Honey extension from your web browser. Now we actually just completed a step-by-step on how to delete Honey, which I'll have linked up in the show notes as well as the end of this video. But today's video, we're actually going to go ahead and show you how to remove your extension, which you can actually see on the top right over here of the screen. I'm hovering right over this. Now, if by any chance you don't have your Honey extension right over here, it most likely will be in the Manage Extension section, which looks like that little puzzle. So if you click on this, you'll see all of your extensions, one of which will be the Honey account. So if you go to the right over here with those three stacked dots, you'll see from right over here, it says Remove from Chrome. Let's go ahead and click on this. From here, it is going to ask you if you want to for sure remove the Honey app, and we're going to go ahead and click on the word remove. And then from here, it is going to show you this questionnaire here. And if you see this, that means your Honey app has been officially removed. You don't have to answer this. You could just close the web browser and you are all good to go. Now, like I mentioned, if you actually want to make sure you delete your Honey account before removing it, go ahead and check out our video right over here on screen.